Hi, I'm Christine Sarvancia Tablo, 36 years old from Canlubang, Calamba City, Laguna. My daughter is 2 years old and she was diagnosed of cerebral palsy. Bale, premature baby siya. So, simula pa lang nang pinanganak siya, nasa hika pa lang siya, parang sinabi na ng doctor niya na you have to expect na medyo meron siyang delay in terms of development. Kaya nung magtuto na siya, tapos hindi pa siya makacrawl, makasit, or makalakad ng ayos, we opt to take her to a neurologist. Tapos yung neuro, yung nag-refer siya sa amin dito sa CMC Corp. So first, siya nagpa-consult kay Dr. Cristobal. Actually, may umutsipon lang siya noon. So, akala namin ordinary lang. Tapos na-diagnose nga na meron siyang pneumonia. Last September yon. Tapos after ma-clear out sa pneumonia, she recommended na magpa-neuro kami, specialist. So we opt na pumunta ng PGH. But then again, yung sa pagdating namin sa PGH, sabi, may malapit naman daw dito na rehab center for kids and toddlers dito sa CMC. So una nga kaming pumunta is sa rehab center kay Dr. Lapus, then he referred na mas maganda kung dito sa core. So, nung unang pumunta kami dito kay Core, as in parang ang nangyayari sa baby ko, kinakaladkad lang yung lower body niya. So, hindi niya ma-feel na meron siyang lower body. So, ngayon, almost 6 months na kami kay Core, mas nakaka-upo siya na ayos, gumanda yung posture niya, nakatayo na din siya, and I think medyo advanced pa nga si Core in hitting the 6 months target kasi ang assessment nila is within 6 months makakalakad si baby. All goods naman kasi ang goal naman ng parent is to live, for the kid to live a normal life. Ang take ko lang or message ko sa ibang parents, do not hesitate to take your kid dito sa core and have them assessed. Kasi ang core ang nagpa-feel sa akin na there's nothing wrong with your child. Ang kailangan lang is proper intervention and proper development para maging normal siya. Parang hindi siya tinitik ng mga tao dito as a sickness, but rather behavior or character to be developed. So that it itself, parang nakatulong pa si Core sa akin para ma-accept kung ano ba yung character o mismong capability ng child ko.
Good day po. Ako po si Queen Gaman, yung occupational therapist po ni Alo. So, our main concern with Alo is her motor delays po. Kasi yun din po yung na concern din ni mommy and yung neurodev doctor ni Alo. So, we focus more on her core strength as well as how it can actually affect yung kanyang pag-upo, pagtayo, pag-reach ng toys from side to side. Kaya yun po yung mga specific activities na ginagawa namin with Alo. So, at first, nung bago pa lang si Alo is nahirapan siya to maintain other positions kaya ang position niya lang is crawling before. So ngayon, she's actually trying to stand up, trying to actually do other positions kasi pag tinatry namin siya i-move from side to side, umiiyak siya kasi hindi siya sanay kasi ang ginagawa niya lang at home is either nakadapa or either nakahiga lang. Ngayon, sinasanay namin siya na she can actually play from kahit naka-sideline, naka-upo. So ngayon, natatry na niya mag-sit to stand din with guidance pa rin. Pero at least somehow ngayon, meron na din siyang initiation to do it. Okay, since Alo is diagnosed with cerebral palsy, so very common kasi with kids na may cerebral palsy, yung mga motor delays, late yung milestones nila, ganyan. So, we recommend na tingnan po natin na check yung proper po ba yung milestones nila. Kunyari, around their age ba, kaya na po ba nilang mag-crawl, kaya na po ba nilang mag-sit up straight without supports, ganyan, or at least somehow stand up on their own. So, wag po tayo mag-hesitate na mag-seek ng doctor or ng therapist para matulungan po natin yung milestones ng kids natin. If you notice some concerns or delays with your children, visit us here in Core. We are open from Mondays to Saturdays. We can actually help you to address those concerns and give you a proper home program to actually help you with your children.
Thank you, CMC,